Hello kids, what's up? It's your teacher again, and today we're going to study another new topic on mathematics, which is estimate sum. It's on chapter 2, lesson 2, page 26. Okay? So let's find out what do you mean by estimating the sum. All right. Look at this example. If you want to estimate a sum, in the first step, we're going to round each number to the nearest 10. If we have a two-digit number, and if you want to find or estimate the sum, first of all, we're going to round each number to the nearest 10. Look here, we have 88 plus 91. And if we want to estimate the sum, how do we do it? First of all, we're going to round number 88 to the nearest 10, which becomes 90. And we're going to round number 91 to the nearest 10, which becomes 90. Now, we are going to estimate the sum. 90 plus 90 is equal to 110. Let me give you more examples on this so that you can understand. If for example, we have a number like 82 plus 65, and if we want to estimate the sum, how do we do it? The first thing, we're going to round each number to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. And look, if you want to round number 82 to the nearest 10, what will it be? Since it's less than 5, it becomes 80. And 35, look, we have 5. And we said if we have 5 or greater than 5, it'll increase the tens by 1. So it becomes 40. And now we are going to estimate a sum. 0 plus 0, it's 0. And 8 plus 4, it's 12. Okay, it's 120. So it's very easy. First of all, find out how many digits number are there. So in this case, we have two digits number. Okay, two digits number. And now we're going to find out and round each number to the nearest 10. Then we are going to estimate the sum. And what if we add 3,000, a three-digit number like 174 and 123? What should we do in this case? First of all, since it's a three-digit number, we're going to round to the nearest 100. If it's a three-digit number, we're going to round to the nearest 100. Then we're going to estimate the sum. So 174 is closer to 200 or 100. We're going to look at the digit that's in the 10 spot if you want to find out the nearest 100. So it's 7, of course, it becomes 200. And 123, if you round this number to the nearest 100, becomes 100. And now we're going to estimate the sum. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 300. So the estimate of the sum is going to be 300. One last example, if we estimate a four-digit number like 3,260 plus 2,755. If we want to estimate a sum of this number, first of all, we are going to round each number to the nearest 1,000. Okay, remember, if we have a two-digit number, we are going to estimate and round to the nearest 10. If we have a three-digit number, we are going to estimate to the nearest 100. If we have a four-digit number, we are going to estimate to the nearest thousand. And if you want to round the number to the nearest thousand, you're going to take a look at the digit that is in the hundred spot. So in this case, if you want to round this number to the nearest thousand, we're going to take a look at this number. And if it's 4 or less than 4, it stays the same, okay? It does not increase the number that is in the thousand spot by 1. So it becomes 3000, and instead of the rest of the numbers, we're going to write 3 zeros. And this number, look, if you want to round this number to the nearest thousand, we're going to take a look at the number that's in the hundred spot, and if it's 5 or more than 5, it'll increase the number in the legs by 1. So it's 7, it increases this one by 1, so we get 3000 on both. Now we'll estimate a sum. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So the estimate of the sum of this number is 600. Now that we've studied this, we're going to do some exercises so that you can understand it better. Okay, it's on page 27. It's the check part. Okay, we'll start from number 2. 67 plus 19. Estimate the sum. Remember, first we are going to round each number to the nearest 10, then we're going to estimate the sum. 67 is closer to 70, and if you want to round number 19 to the nearest 10, it becomes 20. Now we're going to estimate the sum. 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 2 is 9. So the sum is 90. Very good. Number 3. 410 plus 890. If we want to estimate this number, first of all, we're going to round each number to the nearest 100. Okay, 410, if you round this number to the nearest 100, it becomes 400, because in the 10 spot we have number 1, it's less than 4. And here, if we want to round this number to the nearest 100, it becomes 900. Now we can estimate the number. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 9 is 13. So the estimate of the sum of the number, these two numbers, is 1300. Now let's do more exercises. Four. 12 plus 13. If you want to estimate this one, we're going to round them to the nearest 10, then we will estimate the sum. If you round this number to the nearest 10, it becomes 10. If you want to round this number to the nearest 10, it is 10 again. And then if we add them, we'll get the estimate sum. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 20. Very good. Now let's do number